B? B? What are you doing? What's for dins, huh? Huh? What's for dins? I'm hungs.
I don't want to talk to you.
Uh-oh. Sounds like I'm in trouble. This is your boy E-Man, and this is what we do for dins when my wife is angry at me. Why did I come into the kitchen? What's this? HelloFresh! Wow, what a great idea! All the cool kids are doing it, so why don't we try making the billionth video on YouTube about it? It comes in Hulk green. And there's good stuff inside. We got a bag. Oh, ingredients and recipe. Spinach. Chickpeas. And onion. Tomato paste. Chicken stock concentrate. Italian seasoning. What's that I hear? It's coming from the box. Oh, what's in the box? What's in the box? Sweet Italian chicken sausage mix. I thought it was going to be way worse than that. This is actually pretty good, and we need it. This looks like a pretty good dicing here. Let me just get some of these bigger pieces here that are still here. I forgot something. Now it's more of a kitchen. We have rinsed and drained the chickpeas. These guys into this bowl. The directions here that I didn't understand. It says wash and dry the produce. But I think I understand now. I know what they want. You gotta dry these guys here. I'm just gonna dry every single one of these.
One eternity later.
See, I told you that wouldn't take long. You didn't click away, did you? Okay, so the prep work is done. So it's time to do some of the actual cooking. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I chose this one because it was the easiest of the four. So we've got an NFL level camera set up here for you guys. We got the GoPro right here with the top down view so you can get right there into the action. Boom! Okay. Ooh, olive oil. Okay. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a large pot. What is a drizzle anyway? Medium high heat. I think that's when you do high divided by medium equals 7. Okay. Add the sausage. That will be next. The olive oil is heated up pretty good. Time for the onions. The onions are pretty close to transparent, so I'm going to do the next step, which is to stir in the tomato paste. Remember when you were in grade school, like 10 years old, and you used to eat the paste? It tasted like mint. Yeah, I never did that, you weirdo. So for some reason they gave us enough Italian seasoning for 4 servings, and it's telling me to only add in half of it. So I'm going to try to eyeball that. Probably go a little more than half because we like a lot of flavor. So now we're going to add in the water, 2.5 cups. I've got a 16.9 ounce bottle, which is pretty close to 2.5. Alright, so everything has calmed down a little now that we've got some water in here. Now we can add in the stock concentrates. I'm going to add the chickpeas. We just happen to have that fancy pink Himalayan salt. A Sherpa delivered it here by foot. He actually walked across the ocean. True story. Oh, also, it's a grinder, so I can't do like a technical pinch. So at this point, we're going to cover this and bring it to a boil. Time to remove the cover. Spinach time. The final step. Dun, 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 dun. B?
I don't want to talk to you.
But I brought you delicious dins. There you have it. She loves it. This is your boy E-Man. This has been what we do for dins when my wife is angry at me. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you again next time